Today we're going to take a quick look at this smartwatch fitness tracker the company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. So first of all, you do get the watch, which I am wearing right now. You also get a charge cable, which you'll need to charge it or at least put it on charge just to get it activated. And then once you do that, it should have charge on it. So this one had about 96% charge. And really, really nice high definition face here. One of the nicer watch faces I've seen. And this is going to show you kind of a default screen, which you can change this up. There's a lot of different watch faces. But I have like my steps on here, my heart rate, all that fun stuff, and time and date. And then if you just swipe over to the left or swipe right, I guess technically, you can get into your like favorite contacts, call history, keypad, swipe again, music, swipe again, you can connect to the weather. And then this is probably what this is going to be most used for me is the fitness portion of this. So if I go into workout, I can now scroll through a lot of different types of working out, from functional training to ellipticals, rower, dance, Pilates, cricket, outdoor hiking, going for a walk. And so I actually went on an outdoor walk earlier, which I'll show you in a second, and started tracking results. You could also set this up to track your sleeping, and then you can start to measure things here. So I'm just going to let this start measuring while we're making the video. I haven't done this portion of it yet, so we'll see how this goes. I love that it's showing the percentage of what it's actually doing here, so that is pretty cool. So I'm going to pause this and I'll be back when it's done. Alright, just a couple more percent. There we go. Now it says wear the watch tightly and retry. Okay, so apparently I waited all that time and didn't have it on there properly. One more thing, this button here, so this button will kind of take you home or take you to the settings section, and then you have another little quick press button that'll take you to those workout lists as well, so if you're using it for that purpose. So let's keep scrolling this way. And then you have your steps, so you can kind of see your steps. So I've walked 199 steps, and then I can see that. So let me go back here to the home, and if I swipe down, this is kind of like a fast list. You get your flashlight, you got your do not disturb, shows your battery life, shows you're connected to your phone. It does have the settings in here, so that's where you can jump into watch faces. If you go into brightness and display and go to screen on time, I would just switch that up to like 20 seconds. I think it's on 5 seconds, and it's like really, really fast. So you can also do cover to sleep to turn that on, just like that. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to turn that off just for this video, and then change your brightness and all that stuff too. So let's jump back out of here. Let's see what else. Yeah, so just your alarm clock, all those settings there. Let's see, if you swipe up, it'll show you notifications. And then last but not least, if we swipe this way, it just kind of goes around that carousel, if you will. So overall, really nice looking watch, great watch band, super comfortable. And then as far as the app goes, it does connect, and we'll get in here and you can just, even from the app, go and change the face of the watch. So that graphic there, you can see all the different readings, calorie consumption, stress, all this stuff, steps, sleep. You can kind of track all those different things. Exercise, you can jump into your device and do that. You can kind of see it here, reset it, do all that fun stuff. So yeah, a lot of different options. Just click around and see what you think. But overall, the watch has a really nice face on it. I will say that. 110 plus sport modes on here. Activity tracker, everything you could want. Hope this video helps.